welcome back to Casines. So I got one of those waterfall incense cone things I saw all over like TikTok and stuff. It technically isn't doing any waterfall, it's doing more of a smoking like freaking crazy. I'll show you. So it does take a little bit for it to like kind of get the flow and then start going down. But yeah. So anyways, my local Walmart started selling, and I haven't seen these before. My local Walmart is neon black light neon pink. I guess they're premium fluorescent paint that glows under black light. And I've seen a lot of people on TikTok using these as like art, these really cool art things. So I got the pink, orange. I will get my gold because I'm always running out of that, and I love adding in accents. Yellow, and then I guess this is supposed to be glow red. So I'm gonna open these and try them out. I have to admit though that like normally I use incense in my line of work, but whew, it's definitely a lot stronger than what I realized. So I hope y'all are staying cool, and that, you know, hope you're having fun with your weekend. It is almost 100 where I'm at, which I think is absolutely nuts. So I'm just going to try to quickly open these up so I can try them out. And if you see my Instagram, which is Cold1023, we have one of my cats gave birth. So. Technically not exactly the way the things are shown. As you can see, there's like quite a bit of incense coming off it. I see it's technically starting to go down a little bit. So anyways, my local Walmart started selling these glow-in-the-dark neon paints. So I don't know if your store may have them, but ours didn't have them come out, so I'm excited to try these. I'm hoping that my blue light, the ultraviolet light I have, works. I used to use this when I did acrylic paintings, and I used to do it when I did resin art, but I don't do much of that anymore. So I have like a cheapo kind of paintbrush, so we're going to try it and see. Try to shake it up just in case. It looks really cool though. Let's see if I can get you guys closer up. That is like really pretty. This does work, then I'm gonna try adding it to some of my art pieces, and then, you know, I guess this one's supposed to be red, but it looks really super pink. This one is yellow. It's got maybe a little too much, but that kind of comes off as, it looks so weird though, because I'm so used to seeing a specific color. So then we got, this is pink, so I don't know. It is really nice. They did say that if you want to add it to stuff, you might want to a couple of coats. So that's what I would recommend, is doing at least a couple of coats of it so that and get some rag to wipe it off, clean it. Last one is yellow, and I guess Walmart just started putting in metallics, and I can't wait to go back and get them. I just didn't have a lot of time. I wanted to get back home because the store was freaking chaotic. So they said if you do want to add stuff, like wait for each layer to dry, then kind of layer it up on. Okay, let's set this right here, and I'm gonna see if my ultraviolet thing will work. Let's hope. So get you a closer look. Let's turn off the flash. You can see it kind of works a little bit. They did say if you want to charge it, use the sun or the moon to kind of help it, which I think is pretty cool, because that's kind of how it looks. So anyways, I hope that you like this for a quick video. I was going to upload Saturday, but I just was not feeling after having to mow our lawn. So as always, like, comment, and subscribe. I'd love that for each of my followers, if my subscribers, what I meant, if they could, if you could all give us a like. You don't even have to watch the video, just please like, share it with someone who might like this art. And on Monday we're going to be using this in a story time video. So this is kind of like a sneak peek video, I guess. As always, if you use hashtag Kassoon Family Tribe, you'll get a shout out on next week's video, as well as on Twitter. So I hope you all have an amazing day, and hope all goes well wherever you may be. Love you all.